Good morning and welcome back to my channel. It is a brisk 48 degrees and it's the first day of February. So I'm going to do a garden tour of what's going on, and then I'll probably bring you along to do some harvesting. Let's get to it. So we're outside at my California Wonder pepper plant, and as you can see, it's bending over, which means we have some peppers to harvest. So we'll come back and get some of these. They look real good. Not overly big, but good enough to harvest. These collards look amazing. I don't have the biggest hand in the world, but look at this. Huge. And the purple collard is also doing well. Again, not the biggest hand in the world, but huge leaves. Onions are doing well. The Swiss chard is doing good. May get harvest some of that as well. Onions are doing good. This one is breaking the soil and seems to be pretty big. These are the turnips that I thinned out in a previous video. It looks like they're starting to take root and get bigger. My crisp mint lettuce is starting to take off as well. The Hasinator peppers are growing slowly. This one looks like something's eaten on it, but they're growing very slowly. Rutabagas have taken off, doing well. Parsley plant is looking amazing. I haven't done anything to it, haven't fed it or anything like that. All I've done is just water it. Have a small head of broccoli here. Looks like it's loosening up. It's not as tight in formation as what it was. So I'm gonna go ahead and harvest that. And I have little offshoots that are starting to form. So we'll come back later on when they're big enough to harvest and get those too. Cabbage is doing okay. Still not forming a head yet, but it's showing signs that it will be. Brussels sprouts are growing very slowly. I know that they're a heavy feeder, so I'm going to keep pushing the nitrogen to them, and hopefully they'll take off. Same for this one here. In my green stalk, we have Georgia Southern collard, and it's looking great. Leaves, again, are bigger than my hand. The Big Daddy Greasy collard is looking good. Another Georgia Southern here, looking good. Two of the mustards are growing slowly. We have another problematic greasy collard here, not doing very well, looking kind of sickly, but it's not dead. And then right next to it, we have Another mustard that it has really taken off. The leaves look real good. Another collard here. Leaves are big. This is a megaton cabbage, and it's getting bigger. Head is forming. It's not tight yet, but it's getting there. My onions in my green stock. Here are some of the turnips that I transplanted from the other raised bed, doing well. And then this one is a Chinese cabbage, and it's taken off. So all in all, the garden looks to be doing well. We're going to do some harvesting and see what we can get. That's okay. All right, here's one of the bells. It's nice and cool since it's cool outside. Bigger one. There we go. Nice. Got 5. Look what we have here. Nice. And we still have some more to get. Small broccoli. We're going to get some of the Swiss chard. Nice. So here's our harvest for today. We have Swiss chard. We have four four types of collards. We have some bell pepper, and we have one small broccoli. Needless to say, I am tremendously grateful and happy and blessed for this harvest. So I really want to thank you for coming along with me while we did our first tour of February. And we also were blessed enough to have a harvest. We got the collards, we got the Swiss chard, and we got the bell peppers and broccoli. If you got anything out of the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a great amount of food for myself and my family, but I can't grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button, leave me a comment, hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content, and you can share my video. If you're interested in any of the seeds or products that I used in the video, you can head over to my Amazon storefront or my website. The links for both will be listed in the description portion of the video. So finally, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.